guys, as you will read from today's title, I'm telling myself I can't talk. I'm going to be doing SZA makeup. Basically, I've gotten a lot of comments that I kind of look like her on my Instagram videos, so let's get into the video. So this right here is kind of the look that I'm going for, and SZA's makeup usually tends to be like full makeup. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna prime and put that all over the face. Also, I think I forgot to tell you all, but I already did my skin prep. And for her eyebrows, they look filled in. Just gonna take a little bit and brush out the eyebrows. Whenever I film a video, I cannot talk, but when I'm not filming, I have a lot to say. Like, SZA has really nice makeup. Like, I love her makeup. It's like so pretty. I usually wet my beauty blenders, but I am too lazy and tired, so I'm just gonna spray it with some setting spray, and we're just gonna blend. Guys, my foundation is actually not the same color as my skin right now because it's summer, and obviously I got darker, but that's okay. We're gonna contour, and yeah, I haven't gotten time to like go out buy new makeup because I don't think it's necessary. I don't even wear foundation in the summer, guys. So now I'm gonna start filling them in with this brown liner. Let's brush it out. Now I'm just filling in this one as well. Okay guys, this is my eyebrows and they look crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this bright concealer. I'm just gonna put some on my hand. Now I'm just gonna go and highlight or like clean up any, I don't know, my brush. Like, I recently washed my brush and it's irritating me because the brush is not even anymore. Like, and this concealer dries out really quick, so I'm just gonna blend it out so it's done directly. Gonna bring it onto my eyelid, kind of. Alright guys, this is how it's looking. So whatever product I have on here, I'm gonna put on my eyelids and then just blend it out. So now I'm gonna go in with my powder, and I'm just gonna set the concealer on my eyelids just so it stays in place, and a little bit I'm gonna bring it a little bit under my eyebrow as well. I feel like the eye makeup is gonna take the longest because she does it really nice and I like. I'm gonna move on into doing my eyelid, which is kind of like a reddish brown color. I went in with this color over here and I topped it off, of course, because we don't want too much. And I think it's all over the eyelid, but like on the outer corner. Guys, I'm not a makeup artist, but I love makeup. Does that make sense? She does bring it a little bit on the inside like this, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so her look kind of looks like it has like a darker brown as well, like going right here, like on top of the other shade. So I took this one over here, top it off, and just going kind of like that. So next up, I'm gonna go in with this because it kind of has like a reddish look. I don't know, I feel like it will complement the look. And for this part, I'm gonna use my finger, as you will see, and we're just gonna put it on the eyelid. Okay, so far so good. I think that's it for the eyeshadow. So now we're gonna go on to eyeliner, which I'm scared about. I hate filming eyeliner on video because like I can't concentrate then. I'm gonna take this palette over here and we're gonna take the black eyeshadow And we're gonna try to draw a wing like she kind of has. This is how it's looking. It's a little bit messy, but it's okay because we're gonna go in again with liquid eyeliner, so hopefully I don't mess this up. So I'm gonna go over the liner again. Okay, so she brings her eyeliner all the way in, but I'm not gonna use this one. I wanna use another eyeliner. Use this one now to kind of like draw all over. Okay, oh my god, it looks amazing. My eyes are starting to look more like hers. Okay, so eyeliner done. This one kind of looks weird and my eyes are getting red because I'm really tired. Now it's currently 10:30. Guys, I used to be a night owl at 10:30 nothing, but now because I work it's like so crazy. Anyways, the next step is gonna be mascara. Before that, we're gonna prep our lashes. These are the lashes I'm gonna be using. They're my old lashes. I do have new ones, but I believe that makeup looks much better when you use a pair of lashes that is already worn out. Here is the glue I'm gonna be using, and I'm just gonna put it on here. I let my lashes sit for like at least a minute or 1 minute and a half, just so it's not super like wet when you put it on. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just makes it easy for me to like put them on later. Let's go in with the mascara. So while we wait for the lashes, I'm gonna go in with this concealer that is close to my skin color. Putting it on the outside of my eyes and putting it on here. So okay, while that is setting, I'm gonna go in with contour. Before I blend this out, I'm just gonna put my lashes before they dry out. Okay, so eyelashes are on, and now I'm gonna continue to contour the face. Just brush everything out. You guys already know how to contour, I assume. Guys, I thought I was filming this whole time, but I wasn't filming. But I literally just went in with this concealer and put it on here and here. And the reason why I didn't put it on with this, like I explained when I wasn't filming, is because it dries out pretty quick, so I gotta blend it out like kind of directly. And also I spray my beauty blender a little bit because I don't know, this concealer is weird. Anyways, we're just gonna blend this out like you normally do, and then I'm gonna blend it with the other one. And honestly, the key is just to keep blending. And then we're gonna blend out the concealer on the nose as well, just like so. Blend out the concealer a little bit with the contour that is like right below it, just so my makeup blends in. Before we set this, I'm gonna go in with my powder just to like tap a little bit so it stays in place. Now we're gonna go in with the banana powder or any setting powder that you use. My setting powder is almost done as well, and just put under the eyes so we can set. As you will see, I'm kind of like pressing the powder in a little bit. Okay guys, I just watched the video where she contours her nose. She does put some on the nose as well before she contours, so I guess we're gonna do that. Photo, like her cheekbones are a little bit highlighted, so I'm gonna put that much on each side. Oh god, I thought I was filming. I was gonna be so mad. Blend it out. I'm happy with how it's looking. We're gonna put setting powder. Now I'm gonna go in with my powder. I like to take some and put it everywhere that I didn't put setting powder. So now I took some more and I'm gonna wipe away this one under my cheekbones, kind of like so. I find it that the powder helps you blend the makeup together, like the concealer and the contour, you know, so you don't have like harsh lines. And I'm gonna wipe away this over here and under my eyes as well. Now we're gonna contour the nose, and from what I saw on TikTok, you kind of bring in the contour like this. I don't know how to explain, you will just watch. Okay, so now we're gonna blend it out. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after blending. It took me a while, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go in again and we're gonna create a V shape on the bottom and blend that out as well. I use my hands as well just because why not. And then we're also gonna make like kind of like a curve and blend out. Hope you guys can see. So once this is blended out, I'm gonna show you all how it looks. So this is how it's looking after doing the round tip. I'm just connecting the two lines that we created before. And by the way, I'm using the eyeshadow palette in the dark brown color. This is how it looks blended out. My light keeps dying. Then you go ahead and put setting powder. Guys, tell me why I'm gonna start contouring my nose like this, because what the, my nose looks so good. Wow guys, so this is the eyeshadow I'm gonna go in with. I'm just putting that onto the middle of my nose and then the bottom as well. Oh my god, tell me why this looks so good. Oh my god. Now we're gonna wipe away the powders. Oh my god, I actually love this. This has to be the best nose contour that fits my nose that I haven't tried before. Like, I don't know where I have been living, but oh my god, I'm actually starting to look like her a little bit. Anyways, we're not done yet, but she then sprays the face, which I'm gonna do. Though before I do that, I want to actually add blush. So we know that blush is done. Her blush is like super subtle. It's not a lot. I don't even know if subtle is a word, but I'm just putting in a little bit and it's kind of blending into her contour. So that's the goal. To be honest, I don't think she even uses that much blush, but I love blush, so I'm so sorry. But now we can finally set the face. Okay, so now she goes in with a highlighter, which I'm gonna use this pen. She just puts it on. That looks so good. And that on the bridge as well. This is how it's looking using the same highlighter. I'm gonna use it to go in the corners of my eyes, just to kind of brighten it up like hers, and also bring that onto my inner corner of my eye. So something like that she has, and bring it up a little bit too. So for the under eyes, I don't know if she does anything, I can't really tell, but I do see it's a little bit like dark underneath, so probably she goes in with an eyeliner. I'm gonna use this brown liner and just kind of try to put it on my waterline. So now I'm gonna go with this color over here that is almost done. I don't think she does this, but there is some color popping out, like a little bit of color, so I'm just gonna put that over here. Okay, I like that. Kind of blend it into my corner eyes as well. She doesn't go all the way, like she just goes halfway. Got something in my eye. Oh no. Guys, I was looking for my mascara and it was actually right in front of me. Like, so annoying. Apply mascara on bottom lashes. Let's put some highlighter, the cheeks. So I don't like a lot of highlighter, and I think I've mentioned that in almost all my makeup videos that I do. Highlighter is on. Now onto the lips. That is final. I'm just gonna take away the lip oil. I think she overlines with like brown, so let's do that. I don't think this is exactly the same brown she's using, but that's what I have. And then in the middle I'm gonna go in with this pink blush that I use as lip balm. Now I'm gonna take this pink butter gloss and I'm gonna put it on top of the lipstick. To finish up, I'm gonna go in with this clear gloss that got a bunch of colors, because when my siblings were here we were all using it and we had lipstick on top. Anyways, let me put this on. And literally this is it for the makeup. What do we think? I feel like my lips are a little bit too brighter than hers. What do we think? I gotta take some photos so I look like her. She's literally posing kind of like anyways, before I finish, I'm gonna put on like a black top and put on a black hijab just to kind of fit into that vibe, and then we're gonna see how it looks. Okay, y'all, what do we think? I feel like when I'm wearing black it's more legit, and oh my god, what do we think? I'm just gonna adjust the light a little bit because I feel like it's too bright. Okay, that's perfect. What do we think? I'm gonna put a photo here. Anyways, you all, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Did I forget anything? Anyways, yeah, please do, and I will see you all in my next video. If you like more makeup videos, make sure to do everything that I told you to do before, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.